So recently Nykaa had this huge beauty bonanza sale and I got some stuff from there, and if you want to find out what I got, then please keep watching. Hi there, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a Nykaa haul. Nykaa has been hosting a lot of sales, so I decided to get some stuff from Nykaa that I'll be showing today. So these are the boxes. It's not really a lot. It looks like a lot when you see it that way, but I have already unboxed them so that the video isn't too long. And here are all the products from the 3 boxes. So I'll show you all of them one by one. What do I start with? Let me start with this. So I got the Garnier Color Naturals. The Garnier Color Naturals Creme Rich Hair Color in the shade Burgundy 3.16, and these retail for ₹49 only. So this is less than 50 bucks and I really want to try this. I am a sucker for affordable products and I hope it turns out as cute as this, but then to be honest, I have seen a lot of YouTube videos for this color and the result wasn't good. It all looked black. I don't know why. I'm hoping that on my hair it's gonna look brighter. And I got the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Shampoo and Conditioner. I've used this before and it suited me well. I really like TRESemmé shampoos. So the 340 ml TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Shampoo retails for ₹245 and I got it for ₹208, and the conditioner retails for ₹380 and I got it for ₹304. Next I got the Everyuth face scrub and face mask. I have used the facial kit from this range and I really enjoyed using it. The Everyuth Tan Removal Scrub retails for ₹115 and the Tan Removal Mask retails for ₹99. I got them in a combo for ₹150. This is the chocolate and cherry variant, and I have used the Everyuth chocolate and cherry facial kit before, so I already know how they are and I like them. Then I got a pair of lashes from Bronson Professional. This is for $150 and it really looks pretty. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is pretty. I wasn't expecting this to be this good. Does not look $150 at all. Like, these are full-on dramatic lashes and they're almost 3D if you can see. And this is how the Bronson Professional lashes look. They retail for ₹175 and I got this for $150. These lashes look very sturdy and feathery and they look pretty dramatic and really good for the price. I can't wait to try this one. I'm definitely planning to stock these up and I'm definitely gonna review this on my channel very soon. I've got some Maybelline lipsticks. So the first one is the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 08 Sensationally Me. It retails for ₹349 and I got it for ₹175. Next one is the Creamy Matte The Brick City Heat Collection in the shade 03 Brooklyn Bear. It retails for ₹299 and I got it for ₹150. Last one is Rock the Coral and I got this for $194. So I'm gonna do a review video of these lipsticks on my channel very soon and I can't wait to try them. And then I got the Bella Voste liquid eyeliner. I wanted a white eyeliner for a very long time and I'm so glad I got this. I was looking for an affordable version of the white liner and then I saw this and I was really keen to try this. So yeah, so I got this white liner. Can't wait to try this. I'm definitely gonna make a video on this. And as you can see, all the products in my haul are super affordable because I love affordable products. I think they're really fun to try out. So the Bella Voste Liquid Dip Eyeliner in the shade Soft Snow retails for ₹199 and I got it for ₹179. It's a very unusual matte white shade. I finally got my hand on this one. So it's a eyeshadow palette by Nicka K, and this one is Under the Sea. Now I have been eyeing these for such a long time, but it's really hard to get your hands on them because they are never in stock, and I got these for 300 bucks flat, like a 50% discount. Now I can't wait to get the other one, the birthday cake. I already have the plum one, and I'm definitely gonna make a video on this one soon. The Nicka K 9 color eyeshadow palette in the shade Under the Sea. It retails for rupees 599 and I got it for rupees 300. Finally got my Lakme eyeshadow palette. This one is Pink Paradise, and I wanted this ever since they came out, but I wasn't sure if I should get it, but then I just couldn't resist. And if I like this, I'm definitely gonna get the Coral Sunset one. And I can't wait to try this palette. I'm definitely gonna make a review video on this palette very soon in my channel, and I'm also gonna create a couple of looks with this. The Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in the shade Pink Paradise. It retails for rupees 995 and I got it for rupees 599. And the last things that I've got are these. I actually wanted to try all the shades, and if I like them, I'm gonna get a few other shades. So I'm gonna put up a review video of these very soon. And finally, the Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade 02 Diamond Dust and 03 Champagne. They retail for rupees 199. They were on an offer of 10% off for two, so I got a discount of about 39 bucks on these. So these are all the products that I've got, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And guys, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you watch my videos, it would really help me out. Those were all the products. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.